Cucumber, a crunchy powerhouse of health benefits. Welcome to our journey into the refreshing world of cucumbers, nature's very own hydrating miracle. Let's dive into the myriad of health benefits this green marvel offers. Cucumbers are packed with nutrients, but low in calories, making them an ideal snack for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Their high water content helps keep you hydrated. Rich in antioxidants, cucumbers fight the free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's like having a natural shield protecting your health every day. For those seeking a youthful glow, cucumbers are the answer. The silica in cucumbers promotes healthy skin, ensuring it remains supple and radiant. Struggling with blood pressure? Cucumbers might help. Their potassium content aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure level, supporting your heart health with every bite. Digestive health is crucial, and cucumbers are here to help. Their high water content and dietary fiber aid in preventing constipation, promoting a smooth digestive process. Cucumbers have a cooling effect, making them perfect for those hot summer days or after a workout. They help regulate your body's temperature and replenish lost fluids. For individuals watching their blood sugar, cucumbers are a safe bet. They have a low glycemic index, ensuring that they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Did you know cucumbers can help reduce bad breath? They possess natural antibacterial properties, fighting the bacteria that cause bad breath, giving you confidence in your smile. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet is incredibly easy. From salads to smoothies, their versatility ensures they can be enjoyed in numerous ways, each offering a boost to your health. Bone health often goes unnoticed until it's a concern. Cucumbers, rich in vitamin K, play a significant role in bone strength and density, supporting your skeletal health as you age. For those who find it challenging to meet their daily water intake, cucumbers are a tasty solution. Eating cucumbers can significantly contribute to your hydration levels, making wellness deliciously attainable. Cucumbers also offer a natural way to combat stress. They contain multiple B vitamins, which are known to help ease feelings of anxiety and buffer the effects of stress. In conclusion, cucumbers are not just a refreshing snack, but a powerhouse of nutrients and benefits. From aiding in weight loss to supporting heart health, they are a must-have in your diet. Embrace the health benefits of cucumbers and let them be a staple in your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Nature has provided us with this simple yet powerful vegetable for a reason. Discover the refreshing way cucumbers. Boost your health. Welcome to our deep dive into the refreshing world of cucumbers. A simple vegetable, yet packed with a plethora of health benefits that might just surprise you. Cucumbers are more than 95% water, making them an excellent hydrator. Eating them regularly helps maintain the balance of your body's fluids, crucial for every vital function. But hydration is just the beginning. Cucumbers are also a great source of important vitamins. Vitamin K, found abundantly in cucumbers, is essential for healthy bones and blood clotting. They also contain antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins. These compounds fight free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and the potential for chronic diseases. Do you struggle with your blood sugar levels? Cucumbers might help. Studies suggest that they can help lower and regulate blood sugar, contributing to overall diabetes management. For those looking after their weight, cucumbers are a dream. Low in calories but high in fiber, they can make you feel full longer, aiding in weight loss and management. Their high water content and fiber also promote regularity and help prevent constipation. Keeping your digestive system running smoothly is another hidden benefit of this humble vegetable. Cucumbers have compounds that can freshen your breath too. Placing a slice on the roof of your mouth can kill bacteria causing bad breath, a quick natural remedy for those important moments. For the skincare enthusiasts, cucumbers are a boon. Their hydrating, nourishing, and astringent properties can soothe irritated skin, reduce swelling, and alleviate sunburn. Applying cucumber slices on the eyes is not just for show. It can reduce under-eye puffiness, thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the skin. Heart health is vital, and cucumbers contribute positively. Potassium, magnesium, and fiber within cucumbers can help regulate blood pressure, an important factor in cardiovascular health. They even play a role in bone health. Along with vitamin K, cucumbers contain calcium and magnesium, crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet is easy. They're versatile in salads, sandwiches, or as a hydrating snack. You can even juice them for a refreshing drink. So, the next time you pass by cucumbers in the grocery store, remember these benefits. This simple vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, ready to support your health in a myriad of ways.